Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Lamaziya here. Thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I whiten my teeth at home and to also show you how easy it is. And I hope you'll also be inspired to also whiten your teeth at home as well. Before I actually get into this video, please do subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. And if you did subscribe, please don't forget to like this video, especially if you're going to enjoy it. So yeah. So once upon a time I went to whiten my teeth at Hayat hospital, and my dentist was kind enough to actually give me a home whitening kit, which I'm going to be using today to show you guys. So this is a home whitening kit. I'm sure you can get this at any pharmacy or any dental hospital. Inside this kit we have a whitening toothpaste, and we also have this customized trays. These are actually my teeth, my upper and lower. So yeah, and inside we also have this tooth whitening system. This is actually the magic for whitening your teeth, and if you're interested to see how I actually whiten my teeth, I'm going to show you. Step number one, you need to brush your teeth, guys. And with this toothpaste I brush my teeth, and I also try to use this toothpaste when I whiten my teeth. I'm not sure if you can actually get this toothpaste at the counter or the pharmacy or anything, but I try not to use it like on a regular basis. And then here we have these trays. The second step is to clean these trays. You know, they have to be clean as much as possible. Make sure there's no dust or any dirty particles in there. And the third step is taking this and putting it in there, you know, and then you have to keep this for 30 minutes on you, or as much as you can, because if you've got sensitive teeth, you might actually feel a tingling kind of pain, you know, like I don't know how to describe it, but you know guys, when you have sensitive teeth, what actually happens when your teeth are actually irritated. So the same thing happens here. The good thing is that you can control it because you are the one who's whitening your teeth at home. And one thing that I would like you guys to note is that the best time to actually whiten your teeth is when you go to bed using this kit. I don't know for any other kits because I've never used them, but for this one that I've used, you need to whiten your teeth just before bedtime, and make sure that you don't eat anything after you've put on the substance, because anything that has color can stay on this gel thing on your teeth, and then your teeth can get stained. So it's just better to avoid food, any drinks and stuff like that. So for me, what I usually do is I drink my water before I do all of this, and I won't be able to talk once I start doing this. So I felt like I had to say everything before doing it. I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to press the like button. I forgot to mention guys that you need to put a little bit, like you don't have to put too much. You need to put a little bit so that the substance doesn't go up on your gums as well, because it can burn you, like you can feel pain. So we want to try and make it painless as much as possible. So yeah, there it is. And now I'm going to put it on my lower teeth.